Now we can learn the compound interest. You are familiar with the simple interest. For example, calculation of simple interest. For example, suppose we have deposited 100 rupees. If the interest given is 10%, then what will be the amount the depositor will get at the end of the first year? 10% of 100. That is 10% of 100 meaning 100 by 10 into 100, 10 rupees. That is, the depositor will get 10 rupees more for 100 rupees if he keeps 100 rupees in a bank or in a financial institution which provides interest. This is for the first year. If the method of calculating interest is simple interest method, then the second year also he will get the same amount. Third year also he will get the same amount. This way of finding the interest, calculating interest, is called the method of simple interest method. Now there is another method of calculating interest. That is, for the first year, principal amount suppose is 100 rupees. That is the amount deposited. Rate of interest 10%. Then we have already calculated. What is interest? Interest for first year is 10% of 100 equal to 10 rupees. Then second year, what is the principal amount? Adding this interest for the first year to the principal, we will get a new principal. 100 plus 10. 110 is the new principal. But in the previous calculation, every year the principal remains 100 rupees itself. There is no change in the principal. So there is no change in the interest also. Every year same interest. Same principal amount, same interest. Now, but in this method, new method, first year principal 100, second year principal 110. Principal increases by adding the interest for the first year to the principal. Then the depositor will get a new principal 110. Then the interest is calculated on this. That is 10%. There is no change in the rate of interest. R equal to 10%. Then what is the new interest for the second year? Out of 110 we calculated 100. So 11 rupees. First year he got a 10 rupees interest. Second year he got 11 rupees. There is a change in principal, also change in the interest. Now what is the new principal for the third year? For the third year, the principal is 110 rupees plus 11 rupees interest. 121 rupees. So every year interest is added to the principal and we can find a new principal. We get a new principal. Such a method of calculating interest is called compound interest method. Method of interest calculating compound interest method. What is the difference between calculating interest by simple interest method? In the simple interest method, there is no change in the principal. First year 100, second year principal same principal 100, third year same principal, fourth year same principal, and every year he gets the same interest. For the first year 10, second year 10, third year 10, etc. Now what is the total interest for 3 years? Here by simple interest method 30 rupees. By compound interest method, first year 10 rupees, second year 11 rupees, second year 11 rupees. So here for 2 years 20 rupees. Here for 3 years, 2 years 21 rupees. There is a slight change in the rate. That is, here the amount increases. So this method of calculating interest is called compound interest method. To learn more about this, read the textbook and do the examples as well as the questions given in the exercise. Thank you.